So we had been at winter camp for a week in
On a
this really
été
small
dans un
town
camp
in
d'hiver,
Germany.
dans une petite
I had
ville
been
en
asked to
Allemagne.
come
On m'a demandé de
to,
venir
teach about
pour
contemplation and
enseigner
to
sur
sort
la
of teach our main
contemplation.
class, where we were going to experience contemplation
Et on
and
allait
talk
faire
about
l'expérience
that
de
and
la
share in
contemplation
that and experience
et en parler tous
During
ensemble.
the week, we had the
Pendant cette
opportunity
semaine,
to
on a eu
fellowship
l'occasion
with a large group of
d'être camarades
refugees,
avec un
who
grand
were in
groupe
the
de
same
réfugiés,
town, and
de
they
réfugiés
came
qui
over
venaient de
one
la
night
même
to where our
ville.
camp was, and we had an evening of fellowship.
On a eu
We
une
shared
soirée de
food and we played
camaraderie, on a
games,
partagé de la
and we
nourriture,
tried
on a
to
joué des
learn about
jeux,
each other and
on a
each
essayé
other's
de
culture
se
and share
connaître et
stories.
de
And it was a
partager
really
des histoires.
meaningful, impactful part of the week.
C'était une partie très
And
importante de la
we also
semaine.
had two of our campers
Deux
were
des
also
campeurs
refugees.
étaient
There was
aussi des
Rebar
réfugiés.
from Syria
Il y avait Rebar de Syrie
and
Syrie
Jela from Albania.
et Jela
And they had just
d'Albanie.
recently moved, within the year, had recently moved to Germany.
Ils s'étaient
And so they were
installés en
also
Allemagne
refugees,
récemment. C'étaient
and
des
some of our
réfugiés
church
aussi.
folks there had been,
Et des personnes de
working
notre
with them
église
and getting to know
là-bas
them,
travaillaient
and
avec
invited them
eux
to
et
come to
avaient appris à
camp
les
for the
connaître et
week.
les ont
So they were
invités
there,
à
and it was
venir
just
camper avec
incredible
nous. C'était
to be able
incroyable
to share with them
d'être
and again
capable
get
de
to know
partager
them and
avec
hear
eux et
their stories.
d'apprendre à les connaître et
And
d'écouter
in our
leur
closing
histoire.
worship, it was really simple. We
Pendant
were just
l'adoration de
gathered around, all
fermeture,
of
c'était
us,
très simple.
in
On
a
était tous
circle
ensemble en
around the
cercle
table, and there were
autour
just
de la table
a few candles, a few little
avec
candles
quelques petites bougies
going, and we were singing the song,
et on
Peace,
chantait une
Salam,
chanson.
Shalom. And so often, when we sing these
Souvent,
songs, I
quand
think
on chante ces
they're
chansons, ces
great and
cantiques,
they're
on pense
inspiring and the music is
qu'ils nous
powerful and it
inspirent et la
moves us.
musique
But we
nous
sing these
émeut.
songs
Et nous
as
chantons ces
hopes
cantiques
or as
pour avoir
dreams
l'espoir.
or of
Et
what
il y a
could be. But in that moment, we were singing
à ce
Peace,
moment-là,
Salam,
nous
Shalom.
chantions
And I
ce
looked
cantique
around
et
and
j'ai
we
regardé
had
autour de
people
moi. Il y avait des gens
Germany,
qui venaient
from
d'Allemagne,
England,
d'Angleterre,
from
de
Syria,
Syrie
and
et
Albania,
d'Albanie,
from the
des
United States.
États-Unis.
And I was thinking back over the
Et
week and our fellowship
je repensais à la
experiences.
semaine et à nos
And in that
expériences.
moment,
Et à ce
as
moment-là,
I tried to imagine
alors que j'essayais
what
d'imaginer
these people,
ce
what
que
their
ces
lives
personnes,
were like,
la vie de ces personnes,
violence,
la
the
violence
horror
qu'ils
that
avaient
they'd seen
dans
that I
leur
can't even
vie,
imagine.
toutes les horreurs qu'ils ont vues.
And as we were singing that song,
Alors que nous chantions ce
it
cantique,
became so
c'est devenu
real.
tellement réel pour moi. Le moment est devenu réel.
We weren't singing of peace that we would
Nous
hope
n'étions pas en train de
for
chanter
in the
de
future.
paix
We were singing of
qu'on
peace that
espérait
was
avoir
real
dans le futur.
right
On parlait de
then, in
paix
that
qui était
moment.
réelle à ce
And as
moment-là.
I gave myself over to the moment, fully and kind of just closed my eyes
J'ai
and
fermé
embraced
les
the
yeux et
there was this incredible sense of
j'ai eu ce
safety.
sentiment incroyable
I
d'être
felt
en
so
sécurité.
safe
Je me suis sentie tellement en sécurité
group.
dans ce groupe.
And the diversity
Et la
was
diversité
real
était
in that
réelle
group.
dans
The
ce groupe.
unity was real
L'unité était
in that
réelle
group.
dans ce groupe.
But God was real in
Et
that
Dieu
group.
était réel dans ce
And
groupe.
the peace was real.
Et la paix
in
était
that
réelle
group.
dans ce groupe.
And the kingdom
Et
was
le
made
royaume
real in that
est devenu réel dans ce groupe.
And it just wasn't a song.
C'était pas juste une chanson, un
It was
cantique.
more than a
C'était
song. It
plus
was
que
the
ça.
moment.
C'était le moment.
And it was real.
Et le moment
And
était
that,
réel.
it was incredible.
C'était vraiment incroyable.